Hey, went shopping. Look what I bought. Oh, raspberries. So nice. Tasty.
Yum.
I'm here today in Judith's garden and I'm going to plant some daffodils here because her mother collected them in Scotland near Aberdeen and we're about to plant them back in the ground, relocate them in the beautiful surrounds of Kishgallenfalba. Putting them under the tree here because it might look nice in the springtime. Root down, shoot up, very important guys. I think that's as good as I can do for the moment.
As good as it's gonna get.
I need to water it.
So we've planted a few of the daffodils. We're nearly finished. And then we're gonna plant some more. Plant these into here.
Hello.
While Nico plants the rest of the raspberries.
Yes, we can do some raspberry jam. Hello, Internet. We have to get water. And for this, we don't use the tap water. We use
The well.